Just as we saw in the last video. In the last video we talked about the if statement, and the if statement, if the condition is true, then the expression gets executed, and if it's not true, the else gets executed. And as we described last, that we also have the else if, which also has its own condition before it runs again. Then we have the final else. So in this video, what we are going to be looking at, loops. What is loops? Loops is when we want our function to keep on running as long as the condition is true. Take for instance this if here. As you can see, the function only runs only once, so it doesn't check for the condition whether the condition has become true, yes or false. So for that, let's remove all of this. We also don't need all this, so let's remove it. So let's start with the simplest loop statement, which is the while. So this is how the while statement is, followed by the condition. Since we already have our s to be equals to 3, let's say s to be equals to 13, and say while our variable s is less than say 6, what should happen? Let it print the value of s. Print f shifts %d, s. So if our s is less than 6, we should print the value of s. Let's run it. It's an error. Oh, sorry. Small, as you can see, C is case sensitive. So this is because this one is small letter and this one is capital letter. That is why it's showing the error. Let me change it to small letter s and run it again. Okay. Oh, sorry, what's happening is that the condition is false. S is not less than 6, s is greater than 6. So let's change it to while s is greater than 6. Let's run it. As you can see, it keeps printing on 13. Let's shift it to the, so you can see that it keeps printing the 13 without stopping. So let me stop it. What we need here, we need a condition that will stop it. So for that, let's say at every interval after printing the s, it decreases the value of s. Let's say s is equals to s minus 1. Let's be decreasing it one by one. So as you can see, it prints 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 till it reaches 6. So as you can see, they are all joined together. Let's try to separate it. We can separate it by simply adding /n here so that it will go horizontally. Let's run it again. So as you can see, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. These characters are just added are directives that are being given to the print function. Tells it how the character should be printed. Take for instance /t makes it go. It's just like pressing tab on your keyboard. Look at it. You can see that I separated them by one tab. So let's use this /n here. F now. So as you can see, keep printing 13, 12, 11, 10 till you get to 7. Instead of us saying s equals to s minus 1, we can simply say s minus minus. You can see it still gives the same output. So as you can see, it prints from 13 to 7. So let's make it print from C7 to 13. For that, we can say while s is less than 13, then we start from 6 and say while s is less than 13, should be printing the s and be increasing its s plus plus. You can see that it prints 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another thing you can also do, let's take it to 19. And see that it prints to 19. Another thing that you can also do is you can see equals to, let's increase it in 2 steps. S equals to s plus, instead of saying plus 1, let's say plus 3. No, in 3 steps. Let's run it. You can see 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Instead of you saying s equals to s plus 3, you can say s plus equals to 3. Run it. You can see that it gives you the same output. So that is all for the while loop. The while loop keep checking the condition until the condition is false before it stops running.